Okay, so the court is back. This case is open back to the public. Ms. Simon, or Ms. Crystal Simon Guillory, I have before me an information that has been filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This information alleges that on or about March 27th of 2019, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed to Class A misdemeanor offense of possession of a controlled substance. Ms. Guillory, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Ms. Guillory, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Guillory, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document alleges that, in this document, the Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, which is State's Exhibit number 1, there are a set of initials, CSG, that are on a line next to a box that says check nolo contendere, which means no contest. Ms. Guillory, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document, Ms. Guillory, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. Guillory, did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Guillory, on the next document, this document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. At the bottom of this document, above the line that is titled defendant, there's also a signature. Ms. Guillory, did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
And at the top of this same document, there are 2 boxes that are checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Guillory, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Guillory, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I have just mentioned to you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
It's true. Great.
Okay. Now, Ms. Guillory, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer States 1?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer States 1.
No
And-
objection, Your Honor.
And also, would you like to offer States number 2, the probable cause affidavits, which is in the court's file?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer States 1 and 2.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, no objection. States Exhibits 1 and 2 are admitted. Ms. Guillory, your attorney, Mr. Vasquez, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Vasquez, your attorney, Mr. Vasquez, your client, has advised and counseled Ms. Guillory. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, now, Ms. Vasquez, Ms. Guillory, the court will accept your plea of no contest. The court will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. The court will take judicial notice of the assessment that's in the file. The court will also find that your plea and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. And the court will also find that there is to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
In exchange for the defendant's plea of no contest, in this case, Your Honor, the state is recommending confinement in Jefferson County Jail for a period of 60 days. The state is asking that the court give the defendant credit for 60 days previously spent in jail, making this a time-served plea agreement, Your Honor. As for court costs, the state is asking that the court use the time served to both tax and retired court costs.
Ms. Guillory, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because, hold on a minute. Mr. Johnson, would you repeat what the state's offer is again?
The offer is 60 days, Your Honor.
Okay, you got 30. Okay, Ms. Guillory, the
Yes,
state
sir.
that you serve 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to spend any more time in the Jefferson County Jail on this case because you've already served 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you will be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case is $387, but you would not have to pay the $387 court cost because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, you will be given credit. The court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Guillory, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Guillory, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. Guillory, if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today. Please follow the bailiff. And you have a blessed day.
You too.
All right, thank you. Mr. Is it Garrick Simmons? Garrick Simmons? Okay,
Good morning.
good morning. Court is in session and calls number 323-630. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Garrick Simmons. And we have Mr. Simmons appearing via Zoom. Mr. Simmons, is your full name Garrick Simmons?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Simmons, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Simmons, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Let me do this here. Let's go off the record on.